Some foods become popular because they taste delicious. Others earn respect because they nourish the body. Bitter gourd belongs to a rare group that does both, even if its flavor takes time to appreciate. Its sharp bitterness often makes people avoid it, yet this vegetable has been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine. From supporting healthy blood sugar levels to protecting cells from damage, bitter gourd contains a remarkable collection of natural compounds that will surprise you. Why bitter gourd is bitter and its benefits. The sharp bitterness of bitter gourd often surprises first-time eaters. This distinctive taste comes from a family of natural compounds called cucurbitane-type triterpenoids, along with momardicines and several related phytochemicals. Plants produce these substances as part of their survival strategy. Bitter compounds discourage insects and grazing animals from eating the plant before it can reproduce. They also help protect the plant against fungi, bacteria, and environmental stress. Bioactive compounds found in bitter gourd. Carotene is perhaps the best-known compound in bitter gourd. Surprisingly, it is not a single molecule. It is actually a mixture of two closely related plant sterols that work together. Scientists first became interested in carotene because laboratory studies showed that it could influence glucose metabolism. Some research suggests that it may help improve how cells absorb glucose and may support healthy insulin activity. Carotene remains one of the signature compounds that makes bitter gourd unique. Polypeptide P is a protein found naturally in bitter gourd. Like human insulin, it contains chains of amino acids. However, it is not identical to human insulin and cannot fully replace it. Researchers believe it may produce insulin-like effects under certain conditions, but it does not act exactly the same way inside the body. Vicine is another naturally occurring compound present in bitter gourd, particularly in the seeds. Researchers continue to investigate its biological effects. Momardicasides belong to a large family of triterpenoid glycosides found almost exclusively in bitter gourd. Scientists have identified dozens of different forms, each with slightly different chemical structures. Early research suggests these compounds may help regulate inflammation, oxidative stress, and glucose metabolism. Cucurbitane-type triterpenoids are among the most fascinating compounds found in bitter gourd. Scientists have identified more than 100 of these molecules, making bitter gourd one of the richest natural sources of this chemical family. Unlike vitamins that mainly prevent nutrient deficiencies, these compounds act more like tiny chemical messengers. They interact with proteins inside cells and influence how those cells respond to stress, inflammation, and changes in energy supply. Some triterpenoids appear to activate enzymes that help the body burn fat more efficiently. Others may influence how liver cells process glucose and cholesterol. Momardicin is one of the main compounds responsible for bitter gourd's sharp taste. Beyond creating the bitter flavor, momardicin appears to have several biological roles. Studies suggest it may help regulate inflammatory signals, reduce oxidative stress, and support normal immune function. Some experiments also indicate that it may influence how cells respond to metabolic stress. Phenolic acids are powerful antioxidants found throughout the plant kingdom. Bitter gourd contains several important phenolic acids, including gallic acid, chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and ferulic acid. These compounds help neutralize unstable free radicals before they damage cells. They also help recycle other antioxidants, allowing the body's natural defense system to work more efficiently. Some phenolic acids may also reduce oxidation of LDL cholesterol. This is important because oxidized LDL is considered more harmful to blood vessels than normal LDL. Bitter gourd contains a variety of flavonoids, including quercetin, lutein, camphorol, and catechins. These compounds are widely recognized for their antioxidant properties. Flavonoids do much more than simply neutralize free radicals. They can influence gene activity inside cells. Instead of changing DNA itself, they affect which genes become more active or less active. This process is known as epigenetic regulation. Lectins are specialized proteins that bind to carbohydrates on the surfaces of cells. Bitter gourd contains unique lectins that have attracted scientific interest because of their biological activity. Some studies suggest that these lectins may influence immune responses and cell signaling. Researchers are also investigating whether certain lectins contribute to bitter gourd's effects on metabolism. Top health benefits of bitter gourd. Helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Among all the health benefits of bitter gourd, its ability to support healthy blood sugar levels has received the most scientific attention. In traditional systems of medicine such as Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, bitter gourd has long been recommended as a food for people with symptoms that resemble modern diabetes. For people without diabetes, adding bitter gourd to a balanced diet may help maintain normal glucose regulation as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Helps reduce inflammation. Research suggests that bitter gourd may reduce the production of inflammatory molecules while supporting a healthier immune response. Several bioactive compounds appear to influence signaling pathways such as nitrogen monofluoride Kb, which plays an important role in controlling inflammation. Rather than completely blocking inflammation, bitter gourd appears to help the body maintain a balanced response. Supports healthy digestion. Bitter foods have traditionally been used to stimulate digestion. The bitter taste activates receptors that may encourage the release of digestive juices, including stomach acid and digestive enzymes. These secretions help break down food more efficiently and improve nutrient absorption. Traditional medicine has also used bitter gourd to support bile production. Bile plays an important role in digesting fats and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. Supports skin health. Traditional medicine has long used bitter gourd for minor skin problems such as acne and rashes. Modern research is exploring whether its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties contribute to these traditional uses. Scientists are even investigating bitter gourd extracts for use in cosmetic products because of their antioxidant and collagen-supporting properties. Sometimes the healthiest choices are not the sweetest. Bitter gourd reminds us that nature often hides its greatest gifts behind unexpected flavors. Try embracing this remarkable vegetable as part of a balanced diet, and invest in your health one meal at a time. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.